In a right triangle, the tangent of one of the two acute angles is √3/3. What is the tangent of the other acute angle? So for this question, let's start out by sketching a right triangle like so, and we'll just make the angle up here our angle of reference. Now, since we're told tangent is √3/3, remember tangent is opposite over adjacent. So we can say that opposite our reference angle is √3, adjacent to it is 3. Now we're being asked for the tangent of the other angle. So I'm going to use a different color to show that. So now we're focusing on that. Again, tangent is opposite. So opposite from that is this one. And adjacent is √3. Focusing on this right here as our reference angle.